Buried under New Zealand sits a time capsule 1 million years old, and scientists waited a lifetime just to crack it open. Inside, it is a record nobody alive has ever read. And in the next 3 minutes, I'll show you exactly what they pulled out of the ground. But stay till the end, because what it predicts about our future is the part that gives me chills. Picture this. You spend your whole career drilling toward a secret nobody has ever touched. Why would anyone wait a lifetime for dirt and rock? What could possibly be worth all that patience? The answer sits at the bottom of a lake called Oahu on New Zealand's South Island. For 1 million years, mud has settled here, one whisper-thin layer at a time. Each layer is a single year, stacked like the pages of a book. This is the time capsule, not a metal box, but a column of frozen seasons buried beneath the water. To read it, scientists had to punch a drill straight down through the lake floor. Inch by inch, they pulled up the longest, oldest sediment core New Zealand has ever produced. But here's the catch. You can't just slice it open and start reading. Get the order wrong, and 1 million years turns to nonsense. So how do you read a book written by mud? You look at what got trapped inside each page. Tiny grains of pollen, specks of volcanic ash, microscopic algae, all sealed at the exact moment they fell. Okay, but here's where it really gets interesting. Each of those tiny clues tells you what the world was doing that year. Lots of cold-loving pollen. That layer was an ice age. Warm plants instead? The planet was heating up. So this one mud column becomes a minute-by-minute diary of Earth's climate, going back 1 million years. And that ash I mentioned, it's the secret to keeping the pages in order. Every volcanic eruption leaves a unique ash fingerprint at a known date. Find one, and you've nailed down the exact year of that layer. It's like the mud comes pre-stamped with dates. The scientists just had to learn to read the stamps. Now here's the payoff I promised you. Inside those 1 million years, Earth flipped between freezing and warming again and again on a steady rhythm. And the most recent layers don't match that rhythm. Our climate is changing faster than this 1 million-year record has ever seen. That's why scientists waited a lifetime, not just to read the past, but to see how unusual our present really is. A buried diary, sealed for 1 million years, finally speaking. And the warning it carries was written long before we ever arrived. If you enjoyed this, consider subscribing, liking, and sharing the video. It really helps. See you in the next one.